Nailed it, and good morning. We are on to December 19th. Our 19th envelope. I don't even know if you can see them anymore. Our 19th envelope out of the advent calendar for Charlie's nail art. Oh, I think I know what this is. Let's see, let's see. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. Baby blue fine iridescent glitter. And yes, it is. That is so pretty. This is a 5-gram bag, which you can purchase on charliesnailart.co.uk. So, I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's. You can use my code to save yourself 10%. In all caps, NailedIt10. And I'll put that across the bottom of the screen so you can see it there, as well as in the description box with all my other discount codes. So, let me get this set up here. Yeah, we're just gonna dive in, I guess. I am going to paint the nail a color very similar to the glitter. And, ooh, what is that on me? So we're going to paint the nail, we're going to pop her in the lamp. Give nice even strokes. Gel polish does self-level, which is a beautiful thing. So let her sit there for a minute. And you'll be good to go. I think that is a beautiful color. Pop that in the lamp. Give that a cure. And this is color Dreamy Summer. And this is a mini by Bottle Ones. Love, love, love their polishes. Let me get this open while the lamp is curing. We'll go ahead and get this. Get our staple out of the pouch. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified about future videos. And for the month of December, there is a boatload. I did the 12 Days of Christmas with Pumpkin's Nail Station, so check that out. 24 days advent calendar with Charlie, so there's another 24 videos. And then, you know, we got the Glitter Girls collaboration at the end of the month. So there has just been a whirlwind of videos this month, and I hope that you'll, you know, take a view, take a gander. Hope that you'll like everything. Give it a thumbs up and let me know that you appreciated it. Look how beautiful that is. Pop that back on the stand. I'm going to go in with Charlie's nail, or not Charlie's, She Modern's glue gel. They have recently changed the name. And I'm still using the old Waste Not, Want Not. So put this back in the lamp to cure. And then we'll be applying our glitter. So I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We have cured the glue gel. We are now going to apply our glitter. Move this over a tad. I always start at the tip of the nail, sprinkle it up. This is a very curved oval nail. And I'm going to press this down into the glue. Tap it off. Look how beautiful that is. that is just gorgeous. Tap it off again. I'm going to stick this in the lamp again. Give it another cure. Because in my mind, by giving it a double cure, it helps it to adhere better into the glue. It works for me. It might work for you. So clean up your mess while you're waiting. Whoops. I'm also going to be putting this beautiful, beautiful snowflake on the nail. It's got a little bit of a gem of sparkle in it. I think that's so beautiful. Beautiful. It's not from Charlie's. It came out of one of these little pots I've ordered from AliExpress. You get a couple of Christmas items inside, but I am going to be using my Infilla Pro Choice nail glue. Great product. You can go and brush off if you want, but it's not going to come off. That's why I do what I do. So, oh God, I'm so glad I looked. I thought this was top coat. Oh, it's white polish. I'll be using my iGel Beauty top coat. You might want to give yourself 2 coats of polish, just so that it smooths, I can't talk, smooths it out nicely. Make sure you top coat your sides, your cuticle at the tip. Place it back in the lamp for a cure. Wipe off your brush just in case. Remember, I will be putting another top coat on just to make sure it is smooth. And then we'll be putting this baby on. So this glitter again is Baby Blue Fine Iridescent Glitter by Charlie's Nail Art. It is number 19 on the 24 Days Advent Calendar. Love, love, this is my very first time doing an advent calendar and I've just had so much fun. I thought it was exciting and the mystery of not knowing what's to come the next day. I think it's exciting. Woohoo! Ka-choo! If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I think I did ask that already. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. Or you can wait to the end and let me know what you thought. Whoops. There we go. Gonna give it another quick cure. And we are almost finito. Gotta apply our nail glue and we'll be done. We will be done. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 20 on December 20th to see what Charlie has in store for us. I can't wait. I'm kind of excited just to see the anticipation. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Check out my Instagram for pictures, just.nailedit. I don't have them all up yet, but slowly but surely I'm getting them there. So check that out. Show your love, show your support. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, our nail is back out of the lamp. Take our nail glue. Brush it all over your nail, wherever you want to put it. Whoops. Just here, hold it there for just a minute. Here's our nail. What do you think? I think it's beautiful with the glitter. It is a blue hollow. Hello, Erica. Hello, honey. I think this turned out really sweet. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you thought, what your thoughts are. And this is the end of our video. We will see you tomorrow on December 20th. Thank you and have a blessed day.